Hi, hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to see about the trials. If you are not yet subscribed, do subscribe it. Let me go into the trial. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to go for polygon modeling. I'm just going to take this Palatonic. Okay, so select that one, go into channel box, just go to the inputs here, just make it 1 here, subdivision 1, and the radius I want that to be 0.1. Okay, so after going for this, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to go for mesh. If you don't find the mesh here, just go into FX mode and then go for create mesh network. So click on that, it'll create you a mesh network here. Okay, just go to the attribute here, distribute, just go into mesh distribute, or right click on this, go click on this. Okay, fine. Here what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to go for grid here. Okay, I want this to get distributed centrally. Okay, and here I'm just going to use 5 here, sorry, 5 5 and 5. Okay, so this will give you 5 by 5 grid. So this is what you will get. Okay, take off this grid here. Okay, the viewport grid. Now what I'm gonna do, just go right click and go for new material, just go to Arnold material, go for AA shaded surface, sorry, AA standard surface, click on this color. I'm just going to use a color of blue. Okay, so it'll get applied, so select this one. What I'm going to do, go to mesh here, just come down, you have something called signal, click on this, add signal node. Okay, so I have talked about the signal node in detail in other tutorial. If you want, you can just watch that one. So here I just use the signal node here. If I play this, this will get affected. Okay, where let me go to trigonometry here. I'm just going to use that and reduce the size of the position Y, because I want it somewhere here, and I can just go locally also. So if I play this, this is what happens. Okay, this is what I need also. So what I'm gonna do, select that one, just come down here, you just go for trial. Okay, so there is nothing happen. If I just go back, play this one, you see the trial happening around, but at the top you find nothing for this points. What I just want to do, I have to increase the trial, maximize the trials. Okay, now this get affected with this trial, and in here if you see this part, this is not clearly viewable because the light is default light. I have to go and use two-sided light. Now you can see those, right? Fine. So if I play this, this is going to happen. Now for the trial also, I'm just going to apply material for this. Right click, go for new material, Arnold standard surface, just click on this, go for this. Okay, so this is what I have. Let me play this out. So it looks beautiful. Now playing this one, so this goes like this. Okay, so let us come into the trial now. Just open the trial. Okay, you have trial here. Here you see this get faded out after this one. If I just play this, you see that this is getting faded out. It is because the length of the trial is 25. So if I just increase it, it becomes smaller. But if I go back and if you play this one, you see that it have all the trial continually. Okay, wherever this points move, it will have all the trial. Okay, so the length of the trial can also be affected. So where I can just reduce it to 16, 14 or 15, or which will give you the smaller one. You can go more smaller than that. Okay, so which will give you something like this when you reduce the trial. Okay, so you can just make it more or smaller. Let me have it to 25. Okay, first. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to increase the scale of trial. Just go back, play this so you can view this. So you see that this is thinner now. So let me select again the trial. So here trial, I'm just going to scale the trial. Okay, so if you want more, you can just go, you can just play this one out. So that's beautiful, right? So this can also be done. Okay, if you don't want to see this the point, what you can do is you can just go to your outliner. Okay, select this the polytonic which is hidden, and what you can do is you can just reduce the size of it. You can just reduce the size to this much. If I just play, you can see only the peppers are flying, so that you can do. Okay, that part you can do. Here I'm just going to bring it back a little bit so that I want to see. Sorry, I'm just going to scale it like this. Okay, I want to see it here. Okay, so if I play this I'll get. Okay, next what I'm gonna do, select the trial, go into the mesh trial here. Okay, so you seen the scale, length, and also the max trial. Here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to the second option of trials mode. If I just give connect point, you see that this get connected. You see the thinner here and the bigger one here. Okay, so the distance will change. Okay, so I can just play this where I can just go a little bit lesser than that. Okay, so you'll have the connected things goes on. Okay, you can scale it. If you want more of scaling, you can just use that. You can just reduce it. Okay, this you can animate it. Okay, so you'll get connected with the points where you get a good appearance for your output. Okay, so where I can just go to connect points, this is what you'll get. Okay, so play this one, it'll get connected to a single point. Okay, so where I can scale it also, but I don't do that, so I'm just undoing it. So playing this one though, so this will get connected to the points. Okay, so next one, it is connected to nearest, so it'll get connected to the nearest points. Okay, so if the points are near, so this will get connected. So where I can just go here, go to the distribution. Okay, so where I can just reduce the connected one here. Okay, the distance between those, now you can see this will get connected. If it is far from it, so this will get affected. Okay, so these are the things you can just go and explore yourself and get a good different outputs. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like it, give thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave your comments in the comments box. Thank you for watching.